The ketogenic diet is a very successful weight loss program. It utilizes high-fat and low-carbohydrate ingredients in order to burn fat instead of glucose. Many people are familiar with the Atkins diet, but the keto plan restricts carbs even more. Because we are surrounded by fast food restaurants and processed meals, it can be a challenge to avoid carb-rich foods, but proper planning can help. Plan menus and snacks at least a week ahead of time, so you aren't caught with only high-carb meal choices. Research keto recipes online, there are quite a few good ones to choose from. Immerse yourself in the keto lifestyle, find your favorite recipes, and stick with them. There are a few items that are staples of a keto diet. Be sure to have these items on hand. 1. Eggs. Used in omelets, quiches, yes, heavy cream is legal on keto, hard-boiled as a snack, low-carb pizza crust, and more. If you like eggs, you have a great chance of success on this diet. 2. Bacon. Do I need a reason? Breakfast, salad garnish, burger topper, BLTs, no bread of course, try a BLT in a bowl, tossed in mayo. 3. Cream cheese. Dozens of recipes, pizza crusts, main dishes, desserts. 4. Shredded cheese. Sprinkle cheese over taco meat in a bowl, made into tortilla chips in the microwave, salad toppers, low-carb pizza and enchiladas. 5. Lots of romaine and spinach. Fill up on the green veggies, have plenty on hand for a quick salad when hunger pangs hit. 6. Cauliflower. Fresh or frozen bags. You can eat this low-carb veggie by itself, tossed in olive oil and baked, mashed in fake potatoes, chopped, shredded and used in place of rice under main dishes, in low-carb and keto pizza crusts, and much more. 7. Frozen chicken tenders. Have a large bag on hand, thaw quickly and grill, sauté, mix with veggies and top with garlic sauce in a low-carb flatbread, use in chicken piccata, chicken alfredo, tacos, enchiladas, Indian butter chicken, and more. 8. Ground beef. Make a big burger and top with all sorts of things from cheese, to sautéed mushrooms, to grilled onions, or crumble and cook with taco seasoning and use in provolone cheese taco shells, throw in a dish with lettuce, avocado, cheese, sour cream for a tortilla-less taco salad. 9. Almonds, plain or flavored. These are a tasty and healthy snack, however, be sure to count them as you eat, because the carbs do add up. Flavors include habanero, coconut, salt and vinegar and more. The keto plan is a versatile and interesting way to lose weight, with lots of delicious food choices. Keep these 9 items stocked in your fridge, freezer, and larder, and you'll be ready to throw together some delicious keto meals and snacks at a moment's notice. The ketogenic diet is a healthy option for anyone who wants to lose weight. Visit our website in the description below for more info. Thanks for watching and hit the subscribe button for more great info.